Hello and welcome to this course on Cloudera Hadoop administration. My name is CDH and we are learning Cloudera Hadoop installation. So the first video we have provisioned 5 virtual machines in Amazon AWS, and now we will try to connect those VMs and do all the prerequisites. So first we will connect to the master one and try to get the public IP address. Then so we have a putty to connect that. If you are using Mac, you can directly connect by using SSH client tool. So then go to the SSH auth, then private key, browse and choose the private key that we have created. So this key should be in PPK format so that putty support only that file in PPK form. And then appearance, I can increase the font a little bit, so to 16, and color I can use the system color, and back to this session, and here I can write the name like master one. So if I save this, like next time onwards I should be able to use this very easily. Just to click this, then use that username as CentOS, and I am able to connect this first machine. Similarly, I can use these same settings that we have saved. Just to click that, then load, get the second IP address for master 2, get that IP address, then use that, then name as master 2, and then save. Now we have got master 2. Then similarly for worker 1, worker 2 and worker 3, get the IP address. So for worker 1, so I have this IP address, worker 1, and save that. For worker 2, get this IP address, then rename as worker 2, then worker 3, save it. Okay, so now we have master 1, master 2, worker 1, worker 2 and worker 3. Let me connect those VMs one by one. So master 1, just go ahead and hit, use the OS username as CentOS, then sudo su. So this is the master 1. Now similarly again open master 2, yes, CentOS, then sudo su-. This is the second machine, and worker 1, yes, CentOS, yes. So now I have a worker 1, and the next is worker 2, yes. Type the username as CentOS, then and I can connect my last instance, worker 3. That's it. Now we have got all the VMs, and I am able to connect those VMs using putty. So master 1, master 2, worker 1, worker 2, and finally worker 3. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I have to do certain prerequisites like this. So these are some of the prerequisites that you need to do on these VMs or Linux boxes before installing Hadoop software. So one is like disabling SE Linux. So I'm using this script to do those, and VM happiness has to be changed to 10, and NTP service has to be installed, and THP or transparent huge page has to be disabled, and I have to install HTTPD service, which is nothing but the web server service that I'm using for my local repository. So let me do all those things. I can copy entire thing and create as a script. pre.sh and add it here, then chmod plus x prerequisites, then /prereq. So that will do the configuration of these prerequisites. Then similarly here also and one more thing I need to do, that is setting up of the host name. By default Amazon is using some default host name, so that I need to change it to customize, like master1, master2, worker1, worker2, worker3, like that. For that purpose I'm using a command like I can use this set hostname ctl set hostname to change the host name. So I'm taking the first machine and naming it as master1.hadoop.com, and the second one it's master2, and third one as worker1, and this is worker 2, and this is worker 3. So that's it about prerequisites. Now I can go ahead and restart these machines, because some of this configuration require a restart. Now go ahead and reboot all the VMs. So I'm just trying to connecting these machines back. So I already saved these sessions, so I can easily connect from here using the username as CentOS and switch to root. So I have saved these sessions already. So this time the IP address has not changed, but if you are not opted for static IP address, so that may change. In that case you have to verify your IP address is correct. So worker 2 and the last one is worker 3. That's it. We are able to connect and all the servers are showing the proper host name. So the next thing here we need to do is, since we have customized this host name, so that may not be in their Amazon's AWS DNS service. So we will update those entries in etc host file. So for that, let's get this IP address for each and every host. Let me open a notepad and add this IP address on each host. So this is the master one, and for master 2 this is the IP address, and for worker 1 what is the IP address, and for worker 2 this is the IP address. And open this worker 3, get this IP address and add it here. So this is something like, so master 1.hadoop.com, and here, okay, you can add this short name also. It's like master 1, and this is master 2.hadoop.com, master 2. Okay, so make sure all the entries are correct. So mark master 1, master 2, worker 1, worker 2 and worker 3. Copy this entire lines and update in etc host in all the machines. etc host, and type I for insert and then add these entries. Save it. Come to the second host, which is master 2. Add etc host. Then go to this worker 1, go to the end, then save it. So that's it. So we have completed all the prerequisites. So in the next video, we will see how to set up local repository on one of the server. Thank you for watching. So please do check in the next video also.